Question 7. If the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are all multiplied together, how many zeros are at the end of the answer? Now I'm going to rewrite this with the numbers that I know are multiples of 10. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that this is going to be 10, and I know that this is going to be 10, and these multiplied together are not going to be a multiple of 10. So this here is not a multiple of 10. Therefore, the answer is B. It's going to have 2 zeros.